dear students, as we completed the poem Bed in Summer in the previous lecture, today we will discuss comprehension focus. So after the detailed discussion, all of you will aware about the main idea of the poem. So let's start the question. Question number A. When does the poet have to get up in winter? The answer is the poet have to get up in winter at night, as in winter the sun rises late and sets early, and the morning seems like night in winter. So in this question the poet expresses his views about the winter season because he doesn't like winter season, because in winter the sun rises late and sets early, and he can't enjoy the winter season because he wants to play. Now come to the question 2. Why does the poet not like going to bed in summer? कि शायर गर्मियों में जल्दी सोना क्यों नहीं चाहता? The answer is the poet doesn't like going to bed in summer because he cannot enjoy winter, but in summer the sun rises early and sets late, so he wants to enjoy playing and seeing things around. Mean he likes summer season and he don't want to go to bed early. Now come to the question C. What does the poet experience in summer laying in bed? कि शायर का गर्मियों में बिस्तर पे जल्दी जाना कैसे एक्सपीरियंस है? सो आंसर इज़ द पोइट एक्सप्रेसेस हिज फीलिंग्स ऑफ सोरो. शायर गमगीन है. ही डजंट लाइक टू गो टू बेड अर्ली because he finds it unfair to get up and sleep too early in summer. Now come to the question D. Do you experience the same feelings as the poet does in summer? Share your experience. Now share your experience, share your ideas as you also think like poet, which whether you like. Solve your question by your own self. Now come to the question E. What's the theme of the poem? नज़म का मरकज़ी ख्याल क्या है? The answer is the theme of the poem is that seasons affect children's lives and they can't enjoy the beauty of nature because the sun rises late in winter and sets early, but on the other hand in summer the sun rises early and sets late and they don't want to go to bed early but enjoy playing. So that was today's lecture. I think all of you will understand